Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are explaining about recovery pump. So recovery pump have one is this was gauge, input gauge, and it is one output gauge. This one is starting button, and this one is fuse, and this one is input from AC, and this one is output to this this one, and here we are operating for starting recovery first and purge, and here off switch. So these are the recovery pump methods, and here signal high, if in case any full tank high pressure will get that in here indication. And second one, complete, if in case complete the vac recovery, that time here mentioned here complete. So then 80% OFP means if any tank is 80% complete, that time it is here complete the 80% here mentioned. So these are the inside of recovery pump. So then how to we are put to the gauge, we are today explain. This is the window AC, one here high side and low side. So here three options is here. So this one is low side and this one is high side, and one here in from AC. Then middle one, it is going to with the filter to input, and when it is going output output gauge here going to in this here. So when the these are the methods again I told. In this charging line go to low side, and in this here gas is coming same here, gas coming here same like this, and here going to low side, and after it is here open, that time it is going to gas is going to input through is input inside going the recovery pump. And when the we are recover the start, that time it is going to output from output to the here tank. So these are the method of recovery pump. So once I try one sample, okay, here switch the button, and here we are open the valve, otherwise not proper. We are first we are checking the here inside the gas is fill or not. We are first checking, after open the valve, and here also open the valve. So here see, here this one is already completed, so that's why I see here signal is coming. So these are the method. Why is the filter is for if in case moisture in case coming in inside, though it is control the moistures. So that's why we are fixing the filters. And now turn on the now we are turn on the unit. See, now turn on the unit. These are the things in inside. So thank you for watching. If in case any doubt, please comment down below, and thank you for watching. This one is only R32. So here mentioned R32, R410, and R123 gases only. Then here mentioned all things, and here also mentioned everything. Please read the carefully. If in case any doubt, please below the comment. Thank you for watching for today. I hope this one you understand the methods of recovery pump. Thank you for watching.